Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel again. And in this topic, I will cover point like how to create a Wikipedia page, who can create a Wikipedia page, who can be an editor or who can be a volunteer or who can be a content creator on Wikipedia. These topics, yes. Basically, in this channel, I used to speak in Hindi language, but that topic I have created in English. That's why lots of email I got. Still I'm getting some comments. Still I'm getting some views. They are from not Pakistan, not Bangladesh, not India. They are from out of Asia. Okay. So I think this video will help them out. Okay. See, first of all, that time it was 2017 when I have created. This time this is the year of 2021. So in between 3 years of gap, no. So lots of things has changed. So my English actually after a long time gap I'm talking in English. That's why lots of problems having. Okay, see, first of all, who can create a Wikipedia page? Can you create your page? Yes, you can create. If you are a well-known person, or if you have given something to the society, or if you have blue tick on Instagram or your social profile like LinkedIn, Facebook, anywhere. Okay, or if someone type your name on Google, will it appear on the Google search engine in the front page? If something opens, then what are those? If they are a news portal or something else, then yes, you can create your page. If you are a music band or if you are a writer, then how many books? See, if you have written 2 or 3 books, then it is not possible to create a Wikipedia page of yourself. So first of all, you should be a popular person. You should have done something for the society. You have given so much of things, lots of things to the society, or like see, NGOs are also doing something for the society, but NGOs are not easily eligible for the Wikipedia page, you know. So things is like that. You have to be a popular person. You are an actor. Yes, if you are an actor, you can create, but is your name available in Google search engine or Bing search engine or any search engine? If you have done only one film, then it is not possible to create a page easily. Yes. So first, write those points. You should appear in news portal or in news channels or like anything, any big platform. If your name exists, like if your name in the Forbes magazine, like any magazine or any news channels, then it is possible to create a page. Second thing, okay, if you have done some music, like one music video, then it is not possible at all. If you have done only one film, then it is not possible at all. If you have written 2 or 3 books, then you are saying yourself as a writer, then it is not possible at all. So first, see what are the names are still available in the Wikipedia, how they are popular, why they are popular, why their name is there. See, then you compare yourself to them, then proceed for Wikipedia page. Second thing, who can create a Wikipedia page of someone else, or who can be an editor, who can be a volunteer? Can you create your page by yourself? No, it is very, very strict. Wikipedia is very, very strict on that. Their content is so you can say they are having some values, right? So No one can easily create wikis. Yes, you can edit something. It is easy. If you, as an example, one name is there in the Wikipedia, who is an actor. Okay, just now he just faced an accident. Just he lost his life. Then you know the date and time, right? Instantly you came across the Wikipedia and just edited that date's part. Date, no, you can edit the date's part. Okay. Next thing is someone is having marriage. Today is his marriage. Okay, you know him, like you can say some actor or Hollywood actor or Bollywood actor or anything. So you can edit the personal life sections. Anyone can edit anyone's data. You are just giving some time to the Wikipedia, like date you have edited, Mary's personal life you have edited, or someone is having baby right now. Just you can edit the children part. You can name there one child is there. Okay, they are having one child. These things, little things you are editing from long time, then you can be a good editor. You can be a trustable person. If directly you just came across, you come to Wikipedia, you have just sign up, you have just log in, just you are creating a page, someone page, you have just by your page or maybe someone else page, you have taken money, just you have created, you have used the template, then it is not possible at all. After 2 or 3 days, the page will be deleted because you are not the trustable person of Wikipedia. If you want to be a trustable person, then you should have done some contribution to the Wikipedia. Contributions like that. I have said some example, personal life, date section. Okay, from long time back, you are doing these kind of things. Then Wikipedia, that administrator, that those volunteers will trust you. If you create someone page, then they will give some value to you and your created page. Then yes, that page, that client page will be approved. Although they will search their name also on Google, or you have to give some references. Very important point. You have to give some references to that organization, that person, that celebrity, that anything, that topic. You have to give some references. That references should not be a personal someone's blog. That should be some news blog or some popular magazine blog, you can say. That reference section is very, very important. So who can create that trustable person? How can be a trustable person? By giving some contribution, by doing some contribution to Wikipedia. Yes, it will take time. After that, the Wikipedia administrator will trust you and they will approve you after reviewing the data. Like how the person or how they are popular. Yes. So still I am getting top a point like, can you create my page? I am getting email like, can you create a Wikipedia page for me? I will give you $500. I give you $300. Yeah, I can't create a Wikipedia page right now because long time back I was doing. I have done almost 40 to 50 page creation. Out of that, almost 20 pages got deleted. Yes, so they are very strict nowadays. Everyone is interested to create their page. They want to have some profile on Wikipedia. That's why everyone is trying. Everyone is searching on YouTube. Easy. They want everything easily, but it is not so easy. You have to be a popular person. You have to be a trustable editor first. Then you can create your page of Wikipedia. And also there are lots of freelancers you can give. Freelancers you can give to create a page, but before that, check that freelancer, how they are the trustable person. do subscribe. This is the video for today. I hope this video will help you. If you want to watch my Wikipedia page creation video, then I will put the link below. That time I have created this video, that video when I was very new to YouTube. I was not comfortable at all. My English was very bad. I know it is very bad because I don't use English when I speak to someone else, because my mother tongue is Assamese. It's part of India, so where I rarely speak Hindi, so I very rarely speak English. So it is, I know that my English is very bad, but this point will help you, I think. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye.